Welcome to the channel. Yet another enlarger lens that I couldn't resist buying. It is a slow lens, but due to the 75mm focal length, there is still a lot of bokeh to be seen, even stopped down to F4.5. It's a plastic lens that you don't expect much from. The aperture doesn't rotate nicely. It's all plastic too. The blur in the wide open corners is part of the bokeh, which fits my style of photography exactly. This lens will be added to the many other great enlarger lenses on hold for the big comparison competition.